So this is a 2014 Sunbeam Blizzard fan. I know it's no Vornado or anything, but it does utilize its spiral grill and all that stuff. Like, it's not crazy intense air coming out of this fan, but you can feel this air totally across this room. No problem. No other small fan like this has ever done that I've seen. I mean, I know an old vintage one would probably pick this one's rear end, but you know, just saying, in retrospect, most new little personal desk fan types, pretty good. Funny. They say with Sunbeam's advanced blade design, they move more air than other fans, yada yada yada. When actually this is just your regular old 7-inch fan blade. They do have this little lip deal here. I don't know. Kind of helps the fan spin slightly faster and just guides the air better, I guess. I don't know, because as you can hear, it doesn't quite spin as fast. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.